Alright guys, back again on this one. Yeah, overnight, as you probably would know, had an overnight massive expansion, at least 850 points worth, up to 900 points worth. The Dow we had 1,200 points, and the ES about 200. But currently I want to see a move lower right now, although I would have preferred it coming to this area first, taking the SPY side out, and then we raid this trend line right here, and then it comes to this minor sell side right here as well. But there's no model given here, so I'm not going to really take anything here. Okay, and it is FOMC today, so this PA might be a bit annoying, and it kind of is. Look, all of this shit right here. But this, I think, was also attributed by the expansion as well. So we have two reasons this could be bad today. So I'd preferably wait till the NYM, or if I get a pre-judo swing higher right now, and then I can anticipate 225 small, like liquidity sweep into here. I'll take that as well, I don't mind it. It has to have a higher time frame alignment. Reason today I got my second shot here is because we have two BCs below. We have one right below sell side and a trend line and minor sell side. So if I was aiming for these lows here, I would aim for low resistance run because of the BC. That's why, simple as that. Moving on to here now. There's this order block we've come into. I'm aware of it, but I don't know, man. I feel like it's just buy side here, and we should take that ideally. We got 1 minute alignment there, I guess. 2 minute here. And then we do have a 3 minute there as well. So yeah, we could get this, I guess. This is what I was looking at earlier as well. Yeah, we got lows there now as well. So I'm going to give this a go right here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Just put this trend line as well right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. Roughly some micros there. We did have alignment here, alignment there, and anticipation here. So all off the order block at 210 macro, got equal lows here and trend line right there. So yep, looks kind of decent to me. We've also inverted this BC as well, so it looks good. I don't want to go too much risk on it. I know it's like only 180 right now. It's cool with me. Just because we're really bullish there as well, so I would only be anticipating this as, well, I wouldn't be anticipating it here, but just is where it is. Okay, as this is steeping retested there. I like higher time frame ones as well, but there you go. So I'm looking at that low right there, and I'm going to see if it can give me a break even at this low, because this low does not look ideal. It looks more like a sell side liquidity pool. we had our 1 minute sys right here, so I'm gonna wait for that second sys ideally. We do have a 3 minute busy right below that stall side as well, which is basically the take profit, so yeah, it's all good. Okay, looking quite decent here. Let's see how we touch that CB there. Okay, so it's all good. Yes, not taking that low out yet either, so we're all in sync. I'm gonna go break even there. Okay. Hopefully you can just continue right here to that 360 target below. This is LRLR to me as well, so it's just not straight there. So yeah. Okay. Got equal lows below as well. Five minutes is D. This looks ugly as well, I'll be real. So these order blocks are within this range. Come to this low right here. I'm going to consider that new order block at 360 and I'll put my stop above it. Yeah, pretty much. There you go. I'm going to put my stop right here. Locking in 137 on that. That low, 302, 316, 333. Okay, FOMC
Order
could play.
filled.
Just because it's FOMC and it didn't fucking put me in where I wanted was fine. I know I did hit target, but it's just because FOMC and we got this expansion, so I just want to be out of that and end the run. There you go. I'll take that easy win right there. And wait for the opening price as well. Yeah, TP would have hit. Okay. Okay. Nice easy win on that one. Easy win to start the week. If we don't hit this minus sell side, I might take the optimal trade entry. I don't think it was given though, I'll be real. Yeah, let me check on the MQ if there was one. That was our volume imbalance. It was a volume imbalance. 2 minute maybe. No, suspension block up there though. That's a bit weird. No worries. Check this still here. Yeah, it's sort of civvy, I guess, but so what I'm saying here is that this is like that pretty much. So we could get an optimal trade entry here for 1 minute kind of thingy. Right, yeah. See about 4, yeah, for now, and then I'll see if I can adjust that. Yeah, the 1 minute there has a trend line, pretty much. It's not like the most 1, 2, 3 tap, but it's there. And again, about
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Shit, but I don't want to get too much. I want to put my thingy a bit assertive.
Order filled.
Right here.
Order filled.
Good with this low. Basically, I don't want to put my stop here. I want to put it there for now because I'm not sure about this Sibi. That's it. I will be sure about going break even soon. So I'm looking for it to run to these lows ideally. Optimal trade entry for this leg of price action to hold pretty much. So ideally roughly 1.2 on this, but 1.5 would be where the system permits it, because that's literally the OT. OT is good at 1.5, but I'll probably just hold it till this. We've got equal lows here and we've got this trend line, kind of weird looking formation right here. So I'd want to see it just gravitate there now. Final stage. It's been a 1 minute right here. Back at that civvy area, which is also a 2 minute suspension block. Jeez, we're really gonna overshoot that, I think. Hopefully not, hopefully not. That's LLD, I guess, but it's a bit of buy side there, so I don't know if that'll hold. See, hopefully it holds. Equal lows there, I guess. But where this looks now. Versus steep. really holds. Let's see. It's a bit two-sided, I'll be real. I'll let it do his thing, fuck it. Might go to my stop on this point, I don't mind it. Made a bit of trend line, yeah, but the thing is when it takes this, I want to see it really just rush beyond it. Because it could just sweep it. SMT with yes, SMT with doubt. Yeah, it was retest, what a piece of shit. Okay, I want to see what that does though when it comes there.
Order
I'll take one
filled.
off just because the risk I think is a bit too much on that, but that's fine. No worries. Took one off just because of the risk. Just because of how I came into drawdown like that, I mean, if it's a second sisty, I'm expecting that to hold, so fuck that. And this could be the second sisty here. Should probably will be actually at this point, the way it looks. Yeah. But ideally I'm going to go break even around here, depending on speed and what it does and how it looks and everything. Which is also, I think that 1 minute, what a lag spike. Let's see, okay, hit that area. I want to see it kind of respect it now. Got equal lows here as well, so yeah, bit of an uneasy one there. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even here. See it come lower now, which would be ideal. 229. Hope we can just. Oh,
Order filled.
Anyways, that's good. Anyways, if I break even there, it would have given me a loss. That's fine. And that's why I got break even at these areas here. Look, you can see, because I don't know if this is going to be the third sisty and continue like that, like pretty much. And I've had that mistake so many times in the past. You can see it just came above now, done that. And again, this PA is shit. I'm gonna be honest. This PA was decent, but this PA it just did that and then came lower, and then now it's gonna do what I want it to do is shit, because this is just FOMC where it tends to create per se, but yeah, that was shit. About that I did commissions or some shit, because I feel like those commissions be hitting. Okay, I don't want to trust this as much. Equal lows there though. Yeah, we have a lot of alignment here. I'll be real, I could have taken this cell right now, but fuck it. Yep, that's that cell gone. Look at the H4. sorry, not H4, minus sell side taken. Sell side below has not been taken yet though. We don't have, let me check the opening range gap, it's probably massive, I'll be real, it is massive. Oh, opening range gap is humongous. I just realised that could have been a catalyst. And because of the 800 point move, we should get a big opening range gap, and this is it right here. So ideally when I get these big opening range gaps, I mark out all of the quadrants. Alright, this thing's dumping now, isn't it? This is quite bearish, I'll be real, but I want to see if there's any more sell side below, or near term sell side that is. And there is, just where that H4 BC is. If this does offer a retracement, I don't mind getting the 50% of it. Okay. Yeah, both look good. That can actually looks bad because the SSD is full. I'm going to mark out that sell side as well, which is basically the H4 BC roll. So yeah, LRLR was given on this, but it was just a manipulation, an extra manipulation I made. I'm not really a big fan of that B-roll. I'm not marking that big one out actually, but just mark out that one. Okay. Thing is, if it comes under these bodies, then it's coming to H4 BC. I don't like this anymore. Okay, I think today I'll need to use the indicator for the open range gap because I can't mark this out in time, I'll be real. And that is below. That is way below. Look at that open range gap, constant encouragement comes below the Asia low as well. Crazy. This current H4 BC we might actually invert because the first one we never actually hold. I mean, ideally I would want that anyways. Okay, we got sell side in that H4 BC as well. Let me just send that to back and then make this a bit lighter so I can actually see the sell side. Yeah, you got sell side inside of the BC. 602 sell side, which is pre London, which doesn't really mean anything, but oh, that's really smooth, that is sell side right there. Okay, I don't think the optimal trade entry will hold there either, so ideally I do want to see 50% retracement. Not there though. Probably the 1 minute right here. Oh, that's exactly the same area I think. So we got sell side right here, as you can see, really smooth as well. I don't know if they'll give me that though, B-roll. If they don't give me optimal trade entry is ideal because it's really close to that area. Three minute on here, we've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes is probably idealist. Yeah, I think I'd like 2 minutes. 2 minutes good. Because 2 minutes is actually showing the SSD and everything. Got equal lows there now as well, that's good. Will it give me that 50% retracement please? Yeah, I like this a lot. This is like A minus a B-roll. Got these equal lows here, really really nice, but then again if it gets after one trade entry there because of those equal lows, meh. And look at the fact that I did this weird ass shit. I mean, what the fuck did I come in there? Okay, I took this buy side I guess. Alright, it's forming that trend line there I guess. Quite preferable. Okay, I just missed it there. I'm gonna zoom in a 15-second one. Okay, there's two line. It should be a good premium to interval. Damn, I think they might. Don't do this. That's good, they're forming the trend line there, it's nice. I'm gonna have my stop around here. It's kind of like similar to yesterday. And the Wi-Fi disappeared, huh? Okay, they just missed that 50%. Hopefully it's not fully missed, because that trend line's really forming now. Yeah, they are little shits for doing that. If that second SSD forms, then I'm not going for the first SSD. And sometimes the first SSD will not get hit because it's really bearish. It usually does that. Like that usually indicates really bearishness. Okay, they just hit the trend line, that's good. So it's forming a bear. But when that's the case and it doesn't form that, it doesn't form the 50% retracement, then I'm more into the thingy. Like I'm really into the sellers then. Like on the OT. I guess we're getting that case right now. Shit, man. Okay, no worries. Yeah, second SSD on the 2 minute might be given here. Yeah, fuck you, NQ. I wanted that for myself. Bruh. I want to close though on the 1 minute at least. Below that in the 1 minute. I'm not entering the second SSD alignment either. I'd preferably want optimal trade entry. Okay, the 1 minute 30 seconds left on that bitch. I think 30 seconds on here would be ideal. Yep, it's got civvies there, lovely. Oh, it's so close to that liquidity below now. Okay, 1 minute is not giving that close, so I'm not interested in this. It might come back up, poke that shit, and then come lower. Is the first presented given? The first presented is given. I don't know, wait, is that the first presented? Let me check. Okay, so this, no, that's not the first, wait, why is it there? Alright, first presented, I think it's here, I don't think it's there. It's 2:30, guys. Yeah, first presented, just above. Right there. Ah shit, it's gonna take that sell side, take it, you little cunt. Make me miss out my move. It just, okay, wow, it just took it, that's taking it, wow. Hopefully I can leave it smooth and then come back lower for it again. We got more sell side here as well. A lot more here actually with the book. Yo, this shit is smooth. So I still like this. Got quite a lot here as well. That's smooth as fuck. Okay, this is not smooth, so I think these would be the final targets here. For that. Okay, so the 1 minute CB is up here. To be honest, I would prefer this for an entry, if I give it it. I don't think it will though. Or will it? If we get 1 minute, which we did actually, we got 1 minute, I think we did. Yeah, we got 1 minute CB in that range, so I'm looking for optimal trade entry in the 1 minute alignment. So looking at 1 minute today here, around 30 seconds here. So first. Yeah, so optimal trade entry comes nicely at that first presented. VG, if we can get it. Otherwise, this thing's just really bearish, and that's fine. It's gonna fill that gap in, that's cool with me. Jeez, this thing's bearish as fuck. Come on. I want to check the video, because we had a big pump, so it should do something. Yeah, I did. But why is that on NVIDIA anyways? Shit. Alright, inside that H will be see, likely when I come for that other one below, the bigger H will be see as well. Shit, we just get a retrace, nicely done. Finally retraced. So I'm contemplating between the first presented and the thingy. Between the first presented and the OT. Yeah, that's how bearish we are. Wow, it's crazy. He just retraced once and was like, fuck you, I'm going lower. Really? This type of retracement I wanted, or would have wanted in optimal trade entry. So let's see, I'll probably hit that 25081, 25081.25. H4 busy, gonna hit right now, but that's a really big void. It's still not reached the open range gap, nowhere near it. Sorry, the constant encouragement rate, nowhere near it. Could probably get the quadra out now. Just doing this simple calculation. Yeah, so we're in the quadra, upper quadra of the thingy. No, we're not. Sorry, what? No, we're not. We're in the fucking 8th bullshit, whatever it's called. This upper quadra is like a little bit below. A lot more below actually, but yep. Okay, cool. Okay, if we get this here, I'm uninterested. If it like comes to this low, I'm uninterested in this shit right now. Or rather just let it do its thing. Especially if that 3 minute lines. Okay. That 2 minutes CB above, man, I feel like we just come to it right now. Ideal area, man, ideal area, G. I think the 15 second we got trend line forming, yeah we do. We got buy side as well forming. Okay, bearish order flow though. Really stubborn right now, PAs. Oh shit, that thing's a dump fam. Let's see how much risk I'm getting this 200 I'm looking for, so let's see. Fucking hell, really legit, just missed it right there, look at that. I swear if this dumps now. Did we really just miss that? Let's see.
Order filled.
And finally, 154, I'll give it up. I'm gonna put these targets down here, which are be ideal. First presented as well here. Lovely level there. Break even here. West side there as well on the trend line. So I'm actually looking at my other screen right now, so what happened? Something happened. Yeah, I was actually looking at my other screen. But yeah, cool. Yeah, we just missed that busy as well. The H4 one below. Came to the first one, but the second one, not so much, man. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Got no water either, man. Okay, got somewhat relatively equal lows here, I guess. Forgot counting those. Please. Okay. Lovely jubbly. Got 30-second alignment finally, something. 1 minute alignment as well. 15-second double tops are there as well, lovely jubbly. Immediate low, if we take it would be nice. $250. Got equal lows here as well. Eternal, boom. That's 2 minute one. I want to see the 1 minute. If we can just get to it, that'd be amazing. Break even there. Alright, trying to hold this now till set area below. Check the 5 minute for that. 5 minute looks amazing. Sell side 1 here. I'm gonna give that a partial.
Order
pocket.
filled.
See if we can grab that other sell side right there below. Come on, let's get it. Come on. One more sell side pull to go. Come on, come on. I'm waiting. Oh, this feels good, this does. Following your rules again. Yeah, H4 busy here as well. Hopefully we can come to that other sell side pull just below. Come on, man. Let's make it count. Thank you, let's make it count. If they gave a third, no, not there. Yeah, 30 seconds. I'd rather wait for 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, that was a nice fucking run there. Beautiful. I'm gonna try and lock in any profits if it could give me a third 60 here, but I need it to come to below this low at least. Line in the sand, mate. Line in the sand. Come on. Yeah, get no break evens. Yeah, good thing a partial there. Come on, give me a 460 for once. Alright, we got trend line forming on the seconds, I think. 15 seconds. There it is. Beautiful. Look at that shit right there. Let's come on, let's see if we can get expansion lower. Continuous type shit. Come on, type shit, mate. I need that fucking equal lows taken now, come on. Alrighty. Nice and lovely. I don't want it, I want it here around this area to put my stop above that. Then we can get a decent alignment, I guess. Should get an expansion alignment for 2 minutes. Should give an expansion in 2 minutes for that Sibi. Never mind, never mind. Never fucking mind. Should give me equal lows at least here then. Okay, I need those equal lows, please. Need those equal lows. Come on, man. The SPA is shit now all of a sudden. Alright, I got trend line, we got trend line. That shit's coming lower. Okay. I'm gonna get my stop above that once it comes that low. How much is that locking in? Oh, nothing as well. Fuck me. 3150. I might just hold this then, not gonna lie, fuck it, to 160. Hopefully I can get like an immediate term high here. If I can get an immediate term high there, I got BPR there as well, a little tiny one, 15 second. Or if I can get a BPR within the, like there, if that can be an immediate term high, which is not of course. Shit, we're really bedazzling that area, aren't we? Because I would have preferably locked in 100 or 160 on that, or break even, fuck it, and call it a day. Close to 400 on the day, man. Sorry, it is, I thought it was 360. Okay. Back in that 60, equal lows here. Okay, I want to see expansion to 160 now. Jeez, man, this thing's really just accumulating, isn't it? Piece of shit. Yeah, we've got equal lows there, man. Equal lows. Okay, now we've got more trend line. Oh my god, man, it's just back and forth, isn't it? This is accumulation, not a real rise, it's just accumulation. A rise, full on accumulation. I mean, this sell side here is, it's meh. Where does it take it? It's meh. I think we got a 5 second trend line. we do. Oh my god, look at this thing. think 3 p.m. should give something, definitely, but if this just continues, man, fucking hell. Alright, wait, that's 60 again. I know I'm going to 5 seconds, I never do this, but it's just the fact that it's accumulating so much. So I'd rather just, I want to see the order flow, that's all. Why is this fucking line here? Delete that shit. Actually no, it's just the up to one trade entry. Alright, no worries. Let's see it. Delete that one, this line here. Yeah, this order flow is shit, man. I think if anything it should go an expansion lower, like a really quick one, or it'll just consolidate and eventually hit me break even. Because this type of condition looks like an expansion because of the way we're holding that higher time frame SIBI right there. So last line of defense is that SIBI pretty much. Right, yeah. Just 3 minute would be the buy side as well, and we can do an AMD type shit lower. And if we don't come to that SIBI, then it really should expand aggressively lower. Like, and I don't even care about turning the stop then, because then I know it come to that target. 3 minute suspension block. Okay, no. 2 minute? No. We got 2 minute, 3 minute open candle, so we should get an expansion now. Or an opening, like those kind of inside candles. But we need a close, I'll be wrong for that. Because probably will get a close at this point, because there's a trend line there in the 2 minute. Turn on range liquidity. There is the expansion. I want a bigger expansion though. $40 there, 150, 160. Bruh, you little shit. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh, there's expansion. Okay. I'm gonna lock in 137 to 160.
Order filled.
Done for the day, bro. I'm done. I think it'll hit that fucking sell side, or maybe it will, I don't know. That was the expansion candle I was looking for anyway, so yeah. Call it a day there, that's plus 527. So yeah, that was a good day, that was. See, I knew this day would come, eventually anyways. But yeah, and it's FOMC day as well, so good. Tomorrow will be trading Friday, likely day off, we'll see. But yeah, till next time, be safe.